Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
May I sit, sir?
Yes, please have a seat. Yes, how may I help you?
Sir, I would like to open an account in your bank.
Okay, sure. Well, what do you do?
Sir, I'm a student.
Well, what kinds of account would you like to open? The savings account and the current account.
Sir, I would like to open saving account.
Okay, in that case, you will have to submit some documents.
Sir, what kind of document I need to submit?
For that, you need to submit your Aadhaar card, ration card and your phone number.
Sir, how much money I will have to deposit?
You need to deposit only 500 rupees.
But sir, I need checkbook facilities also.
Okay, no problem, but in that case, you will have to submit 1000 rupees.
Okay sir, thank you so much for getting me this information.
Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for the future. Thank you so much once again.